and making sure that people are spending their time on value-added activity rather than writing copy-paste. Hi, I'm Toby Carrington. I run global operations at FlyMSG, and I'm really excited to be also an advisory board member at Vengreso. I'm really excited to be an advisory board member at Vengreso for a number of things. The first one is the productivity and efficiency really across the horizontal, whether you're a business owner, sales, marketing, customer success, the use case is really clear. The thing that I'm also really excited about is the PLG strategy, and that's going to bleed into the enterprise. So I really believe in the future. I believe in Mario and the team, so really excited. The excitement around FlyMSG and its future is all about productivity for me. The productivity and efficiency is such a key topic, and making sure that people are spending their time on value-added activity rather than writing copy-paste and menial tasks is absolutely critical today.